It didn't go out. Hey everyone, welcome back. What we're doing today? We are doing the Kids Workshop Home Depot ATM Bank. So what does it do, Elijah?
You put the coins in here. Even you put the money in here.
The dollars?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Then how do we get our money out?
To get the money out, you put your finger on the
Yeah,
scroll
secret base.
and lift.
Secret base.
It's just in the back. And here it is. Here's where you can deposit your money.
No, that's how you withdraw your money.
Oh, withdraw, I'm sorry.
Oh yeah.
And you just slide it back down to close it?
Yep. And we actually already spray painted ours.
Yeah.
Once we open our sets, we always separate all of our stuff so it's easy to find, right guys?
Yep.
So go ahead and separate your stuff, put it in groups. Let's get all your trash off. Your stickers, because we don't need those till the very end. Go ahead and separate your nails and your screws. The tools that you're going to need, a hammer and a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. They also recommend glue, but we're not going to use that. For step 1, you're going to stand both side pieces up on the long edges with the slots facing in and close to the bottom. Place the front piece on top and make sure the outside edges are even and nail them together.
The nail in.
Do you have magnetic fingers, Isaiah?
Yeah,
For a
You
minute.
want to hit it with your right hand instead?
If you're right-handed, you better hit it with your right hand. You got it. Doing a good job, Isaiah.
right there. That's
There you go. Get up. Hit that. And go ahead and move to the other side. Go ahead and stick your nail in there. Hold it up straight and hammer it straight down. We want to make sure that these edges are even. Otherwise, the back's not going to be able to slide in. That's good. Good job, Isaiah. Slide is facing towards the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and get this even. Isaiah, you got your nail ready?
that one's ready for a party.
Ready for a party.
Nail. Ah, that one's ready for a party.
Go ahead and hold that straight up and down.
Remember, let the...
Ooh, careful.
You all right?
Hammer's heavy.
You okay?
Yeah.
Remember, let the hammer do the work. Give it a good drop down.
Good job.
Yeah. All right, so what's step 2?
For step number 2, you're going to stand the project up. Place the
project
bottom
up.
piece on top and make sure the edges are even and nail them together.
So stand it up. They kind of got this shine.
We're going to make sure that those edges are even. Elijah, can you hold the other side for me? Good job, Nathaniel. Put that nail straight.
I'm about to flip off my thing.
Make sure your screw goes straight. Well, your nail goes straight in. Move on to step 3.
Yeah.
Woo! For step 3, you're going to turn the project over. Place the top piece on top even with the front and side edges so that the slots are not covered and nail them together. We're going to make sure that those are even and not covering our slots.
Ooh.
There you go. You're going to hold your hammer up over your nail, Elijah, so you nail it straight down in there.
And you let you do all the work.
Go ahead and give it a little tap, Elijah. There you go. Give it another tap. Get it down in there.
That's 10 taps.
And your last nail, you're going to give it a good little push so it stands up straight.
It's already in.
You ready, Elijah? Go up over your nail.
Ow, 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 ow.
Good job, Elijah, on step 3. Let's move on to step 4. So for step 4, you're going to place a side panel next to one of the side pieces and align the hole. Make sure the rounded front edge is at the top. Using a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, attach the side panel with 2 screws and attach and repeat for the other side. So you're going to make sure the rounded part is
Facing this way?
The rounded part is facing the top. So the piece where your money goes in. So yes.
All right. Find the hole.
And how do you know which way to twist?
Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey.
Good job. You just got to put a little pressure and
Always
push the screw in while you're twisting.
Always try and magnetize it. If you match the screwdriver with, if you match this bottom with the screw, it will be able to magnetize and hold it easily.
Put some pressure on there.
No, this needs to be a little bit. There we go.
Good job, Nathaniel.
There we go.
And we are going to repeat. Put a little pressure on there. And which way do you turn it?
So righty-tighty.
And add just a little bit of pressure.
I'm adding pressure on. Oh, that's good.
And your last screw. Go ahead and align it with the little hole.
There we go. Wait.
Maybe a little half turn there.
Here we go.
Perfect. Now let's move on to step number 5. Step 5, you're going to slide the sliding back piece into the slots and add the stickers as shown.
Mine. So
You're going to add your stickers. Make sure you put it on the front.
no, there's this little hole. You need to match it up with this. This little hole needs to match up with this little piece where you insert your coins.
It's sticking my finger.
Hard.
That's sticky. Okay, got it on.
Here we go.
There.
Sometimes you'll need a bit of help of adults. Now let's put the insert bills here. So let's this.
Yep.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
And every single Home Depot Kids Workshop comes with a certificate of achievement. Elijah, Isaiah, and Nathaniel.
Ooh, wow.
And a pin to put on your aprons. Good job, everybody.
Bye.